Hey Blessed Peeps, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Destiny Blessed Mom, and welcome back to one of my videos. So as you can see in the title, honey, this video is all about the cha-ching ching. That was so corny. Anyways, so I am here to share with you 7 or 6 ways to make some extra cash for the holidays, to make some extra cash on the side during a pandemic, to make some extra cash just overall. If you're working a 9 to 5, or if you have a job that it's not really cutting it and you want some extra flow, listen, it's the holiday time. It's approaching. We have Christmas, we have Thanksgiving, we have New Year's, and it's fast approaching. 2020 has been a rough one, and I know a lot of people have been either furloughed or lost their job, whatever it may be. We can always use some extra cash. Am I right or am I right? So, come. I want to tell you something. Before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe. Yep, right there. Yeah, yes. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Did you do it? Awesome. Did you click that like button though? You did. Did you turn on your notification bell? Yeah, that bell right there. Yeah. Okay, drop a comment down below if you did that. Okay, yeah, you type slow. That's fine, I'll wait. Awesome. Great. So once you have subscribed, liked, and drop a comment down below, let's get right into the video. Okay, so welcome back. And as I was saying, we will be talking about ways to make some money for our pockets. Yeah. Alright, so the first way that you can make money, if you have a car, if you have your license, if you have a scooter, if you have a bike, try doing delivery services, food delivery services. Food can never come out of business. Everyone always wants food. So whether it is DoorDash, whether it is Postmates, whether it is Uber Eats, whether it is Seamless, Grubhub, or even Instacart. Yes, you can shop for groceries and you can shop for medication at Walgreens, at pharmacies. You can pick up medication and drop them off to the designated areas. So that's our first way. It's really simple. All you have to do is download an app, whichever app it may be, whether it's DoorDash or so on. You fill it out, you sign up your application. They do 2 hours, they run the check to see if you are who you say you are. And then right there and then, if it's DoorDash, you get your DoorDash bag, you get your mask, you get your hand sanitizer, you get your red card. If it's Uber Eats, you would get whatever necessary information you need to get. So that's the first way to make some extra dough. I don't know, why am I doing this? Feeling jiggy? So that's the first way for you to make some extra money. And trust me, if you put in the work, you can make some good side money. Yes, I've seen people make money from doing food delivery. So second thing that you can do to make some money. Do you have a skill? Are you talented? Can you bake? Go and bake some cake. Bake some pastries. Thanksgiving is around the corner. People need cake and all of those things. Can you make jewelry? Do you have jewelry? Listen, even though we are quarantined, we could still look good, whether it be do whatever skill that you can do. Can you do hair? Listen, book your clients, and you could do your prices lower than what the other hairdressers are doing, and you will get practice in your friend's hair. Tell them that you're doing hair on the side if they want you to do a crochet or a weave, whatever it may be. It's a pandemic. We need our masks. Can you make masks? Do you have the resources to sew? Tap in on your skills. If you tap in on your skills, you will definitely get the acquirements that you need. Of course, whether it be cooking, you can do catering. If people are hosting semi parties or office, I don't know who's having office parties or whatever it may be, but catering is still in the business. People want food to eat. So whether it is delivering food or you're cooking food and selling it, come on, tap in on your skills. What are you good at? What can you do? Number 3, stocks. The stock market. Stocks, Bitcoin, FOREX, which is foreign exchange. You can go in that. You can do all those things. You can even do the pyramid schemes. Yes, I call them pyramid schemes, where you would join and you would get 2 more or 3 more persons to join, and they get some more persons to join, and that's how you accumulate money. So again, these are different ways to make some extra cash. So it's not as if you need it to. People do it as a full hustle or full job. I personally wouldn't recommend that anyway. So you could do stocks. So let's go back. You could do food delivery. You could do skills, whatever skills you have, and you could do your stocks, your foreign exchange, your Bitcoin, whatever it may be. You know, all of those things. Number 4, online tutoring. Guys, we have to be thinking of ways how we can use this pandemic and market it, some marketing strategies, what we can do to benefit from this. A lot of schools are not having in-person classes anymore, and it's very hard for parents who are going out to work to have their kids just sit online and have school, and children need to be monitored. So this is a way for you to say, hey, do you know I offer such and such. I offer math classes online. I can help with homework online. I can do this. Zoom is there. Google Call, the Hangout, WhatsApp, FaceTime, whatever it may be, you can do all of those things and try and do tutoring, online tutoring. It is flexible. You don't have to go to anyone's house. Once you know your stuff, you can help. Trust me. Yes? You didn't know? Of course. Another way for you to make some money on the side is being a health distributor, whether it be TLC, Total Body Life Changes, whether it be It Works, whether it be Herbalife. People are in health and fitness. They want to be fit, they want to look good, they want to feel good, they want to eat right. These are different things that you can do. Sign up, apply, and start selling the products and use the products for yourself so that you can earn some extra income. And the last thing that you can do, a last tip for now that you can do, tip number 6 that you can do to increase money or to do something on the side is, wait for it, start your YouTube channel. Easy. Get your phone, get your camera, turn on the camera, start the YouTube channel. Just like this. Yes, I did say start a YouTube channel. You heard me. What are you waiting for? Go ahead. Get that. Well, yeah, wait until this video is finished and then you can go ahead. Do you have a Gmail account? Yes, you do. So what you can do, go on YouTube and start your channel. Once you have a Gmail account, you can easily, you automatically have a YouTube account, a YouTube channel, but you just have to put your videos there, right? Why not? After you get certain amount of hours, after you get certain amount of subscribers, you are good to go. It's pretty simple and anybody can do it. Listen, everybody and their mother is on YouTube, okay? So you can go ahead and do that. I will be posting a video on how to start a YouTube channel. Drop a comment down below if you are interested in learning more about starting your YouTube channel. Listen, I am a very reserved person, so don't tell me that you're too shy to start a channel. It doesn't have to be off your face. Whatever content that you want it to be, you can start one, right? I will also be putting a video out on how to do DoorDash, so stay tuned for those. Until next time. Did I tell you thank you for watching? No, I didn't. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I feel really crazy tonight. My hair is a mess, so I'm gonna go and pull this out. Yep. And until next time, I hope you have taken these tips and these advice. I hope it was very useful to you. Let me know what you think of the video. Remember to like, share, and comment. And until next time, ciao for now.